In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up advanced settings in QuickBooks Online using the new interface so your reports, taxes, and daily workflow match how your business actually operates. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right, then open Account and Settings and select Advanced on the left. First, set the first month of your fiscal year and the first month of your income tax year, because those choices control how periods roll up in reports and how year-end views line up. Next, review your accounting method. Cash basis reflects money when it's paid, while accrual reflects invoices and bills when they're created. So pick what you use for internal reporting and share with your accountant for consistency. In the same area, adjust your customer label if you want clients or another term to appear across forms and lists. Then confirm company type and tax form selections so QuickBooks categorizes activity correctly behind the scenes. Under Categories, decide if you'll use account numbers and whether tracking classes or locations will help you segment income and expenses by department, job, or site. Turn these on only if you'll use them consistently. Finally, confirm currency, date formats, and whether multi-currency is truly needed since it affects future transactions. Save changes as you go. Subscribe for more QuickBooks setup guides and clean reporting tips.